Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to install OrCard Pspice version number 17.2. Pspice is widely used for electronic circuit design and simulation purpose. So link for installation of these files I will give in the description box. So I have already downloaded this file. This is 17.2 OrCard Lite capture underscore Pspice. I've already unzipped this also. So I'm double clicking on this. To install this, you click on this setup, double click on this, then click on yes. So now this installation is begin. So installation is already started. It will take roughly 10-15 minutes for completion of this. Now click on next. Now there are two options. I accept the terms and license agreement. You click on this. You accept the terms and license agreement. Then click on next. Then by default this only for me is selected. You keep this in the same way, then click on next. Again click next. Now click on install. So this installation process is started. It will take roughly around 10 to 15 minutes to finish. So installation is going on. It will take roughly 10 to 15 minutes. For any version of this Orca Pspice, installation procedure is same. Okay. So it doesn't change for different kind of versions. It will take another 5 minutes to complete the process. It is almost finished. The installation is configuring the system. It will take another 1 to 2 minutes. Now click on finish to complete the installation. Now our installation is finished. Once installation is finished, what I will do, I'll go to this my C drive. I installed in this cadence folder. So I'll double click on this. Then I will go into this SPB underscore 17.2. Then I will double click on this pin. Sorry. I will double click on this tools folder. Then I will go inside this bin. Now you can see there is a capture application. So you right click on this, okay, then send to desktop. So create a shortcut there. So a shortcut will be created in the desktop. So now you can see this. So if I'll go to desktop, see the shortcut is created. Okay. So if we'll double click on this, a piece Orca Pspice will open. So now this installation, all thing is finished. Okay, you can try yourself for installing this. In next video, I will explain how to design using this Orca Pspice. Thank you very much.